Ever tried fitting your bike into a Subaru Outback and felt the struggle instantly? Today, I'm solving that frustration by revealing the best bike racks that save time and protect your ride. Welcome to the channel. Stick around, find your perfect match, and grab it easily through the links in the description below. Product number 1, Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model 102 DNR, Black. A loose bike on the highway can cause more damage than a minor accident. Most riders don't realize that until it's too late. Now picture this. You've got your Subaru Outback packed. Adventure waiting. But the question hits, how do you carry your bike safely without turning your trip into stress? That's where the Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model 102 DNR, quietly steps in. Setup feels almost effortless. Straps tighten. Frame locks in. No complicated tools. For anyone searching for the best bike rack for Subaru Outback, this one fits surprisingly well. The adjustable design hugs the rear securely, even on longer drives. On the road? Stable. Minimal wobble. Peace of mind kicks in fast. But it's not perfect. Heavy bikes can feel a bit tricky. And trunk access becomes limited once mounted. Compared to hitch racks, it's more budget-friendly and easier to store, though slightly less robust. Ideal for weekend riders and casual travelers. Because sometimes, the right gear doesn't shout, it simply makes your journey feel lighter. Product number 2, Sports Ultra Compact Folding 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack. A bike rack that folds small enough to disappear in your trunk sounds like a gimmick, until you actually need it. You're heading out in your Subaru Outback. Plan set. Then comes the usual struggle, bulky racks, awkward installs, wasted time. That's where the Allen Sports Ultra Compact Folding 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack, MT2B, quietly changes the experience. First impression, shockingly compact. It unfolds in seconds. No tools. No frustration. Just strap, secure, and go. On the road, it holds steady. 2 bikes, minimal sway, and a reassuring grip that feels dependable for weekend trips or quick escapes. For anyone searching for the best bike rack for Subaru Outback, this one fits naturally without overcomplicating things. But it's not flawless. Heavier bikes can test its limits. And compared to platform racks, access to the trunk becomes less convenient. Still, for casual riders, travelers, and space-conscious drivers, it simply works. Strangely enough, the smallest rack might be the one you rely on the most. Product number 3, Saris Bones X2 Bike Trunk Rack Bicycle Carrier. Most bike racks fail not on highways, but in your driveway, when they scratch your car or wobble under pressure. That's where the Saris Bones X2 Bike Trunk Rack quietly changes the story. First impression? Thoughtful design. The arc-based frame doesn't just look different, it fits vehicles like the Subaru Outback with surprising precision. No awkward adjustments. No guessing game. Now the real-life struggle. You want a reliable bike rack for a Subaru Outback, but worry about paint damage, shifting bikes, or rust over time. This one tackles all 3. Anti-sway straps keep bikes steady. The rust-free build handles seasons without complaint. On the road, it feels secure. At rest, it feels gentle on your car. Downside? It's not the fastest to install compared to hitch racks. And if you carry heavier bikes often, a platform-style rack might suit you better. But for everyday riders, weekend explorers, and Outback owners wanting simplicity, it delivers peace in motion. Product number 4, Retrospec Lennox 2-5, Bike Hitch Rack for Cars, Trucks, SUVs with 2. Most bike trips don't fail on the trail, they fail in the driveway, wrestling with a bad rack. Here's where the Retrospec Lennox 2-5 hitch rack changes the mood instantly. Setup feels straightforward. Slide into a 2 hitch, tighten, and go. No chaos. No second guessing. For Subaru Outback owners, that matters. Finding the best bike rack for Subaru Outback often means balancing fit, stability, and ease. This one quietly checks those boxes. The anti-rattle adapter keeps things steady. Tie-down cradles hold frames without drama. Real-world use? Road bumps. Sudden stops. Long drives. The steel frame holds firm. Your bikes don't sway like nervous passengers. But it's not flawless. It's a bit heavy. And accessing the trunk can feel limited when fully loaded. Compared to premium racks like Thule, you'll miss some quick-release luxuries, but you'll save a serious chunk of money. Who should buy it? Weekend riders. Families. Subaru Outback drivers wanting reliability without overspending. Because sometimes, peace of mind starts before the engine even turns. Product number 5. Thule Gateway Pro Trunk Bike Rack. Mud doesn't just dirty your car, it quietly eats away at pride. You know the struggle. Weak water flow. Cheap tools that promise shine but leave streaks behind. That's where the Westinghouse X3050 changes the rhythm. First impression? Compact, but not timid. 2,100 psi hits hard enough to lift grime from driveways, yet stays controlled for car paint. That balance matters, especially if you've been searching for a portable pressure washer for car that won't damage the finish. The foam cannon lays down thick, satisfying suds. The turbo nozzle? It cuts through years of buildup like it's nothing. Real-world use feels effortless. Lightweight. Easy to move. Quick setup. Ideal for weekend car care without turning it into a full project. Downside? The hose length could feel limiting for larger spaces. Compared to bulkier gas models, it trades raw power for convenience, and honestly, most homeowners won't miss the noise. Perfect for car lovers, homeowners, and anyone tired of underwhelming cleaning tools. Because sometimes, clean isn't enough, you want that fresh start feeling every time you rinse.